Morning, guys. Working on a 69 Cougar.
Is it a good morning?
It is a good morning, actually. I'm not 6 feet in the ground. Anyways, getting ready to pull the cooling system out, radiator, hoses. So we got to pull the balancer. Bobby, what are we getting ready to do completely with this car?
We got to change the timing set because it was looser than. Well, I can't do a Burton's mom joke because you're here.
Yeah, let's not do that right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, getting ready to do a timing set on this car.
That was leaking oil anyway, so.
And fixing the oil leaks.
Fun.
Always fun. What size motor is this? What size motor?
428, baby.
Beautiful 428.
That's the motor, buddy.
All right, guys, get some work done and show you the progress.
All right. So,
What's guy?
Burnsy's working on getting the fan clutch out
Mm-hmm.
or undone.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say loosen that bottom one because they're slotted, and then take out the top one, and then it can hang there while you undo this.
Mm-hmm.
So do that. Get the belts. Oh, you already got the belts. Look at you.
I got one.
There you go. Close enough.
Yeah.
I just pulled the distributor cap, pulled the plug wires off the driver's side or passenger side. Got it all laying over here. I'm gonna end up having all the plug wires laying off this way. Get it out. Let's look into a distributor cap, Tim, because this is the
real one?
This is the cheapy kind with the aluminum, and you can already see where it's been kind of arcing and burning through. If the phone will focus, there it is.
Focus.
See that discoloration? So, yeah, not a fan of those. Your rotor, though, was really nice. It's a nice standard. Good stuff. So,
Did I just put a kit like that?
yeah, you just did one of these.
Yep.
Now, see how the distributor does this? They all have that little bit of end plate, right?
Yeah.
Well, Wix Galaxy, we put the same kit in, and we'd fire it up, and as soon as we got above 1500 RPM, the end plate was so high, it would come up, and the reluctor would get away from the sensor, and it would shut off.
And then, of course, you guys are sitting there going,
Dude, what the hell's wrong with this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's video of that. We were gonna go on a murder spree. It was bad. It was not fun.
yeah.
Not fun. We were mad.
I bet.
We were in a bad mood. So, anyway, continuing on. I know we gotta get the valve covers off. We gotta get the manifold off. There's all kinds of stuff we gotta get off here. So, we're gonna get things apart as far as we can today. And making progress. So there's actually a lot to do. Right, so I just undid the little vacuum contraption here for the PCV that most 428s all have. So that's off and out of our way. I'm going to undo fitting here for the power brake booster. Get that up out of our way. Get these vacuum lines off and out, and undo somebody's zip tie madness. Holy moly, Burnsy, there's a lot of zip ties in here.
See that?
There shouldn't be. So, all right, coming along. All right, beautiful.
Yep.
Shroud, fan clutch, all that is out. Now, you see, Burnsy, that one line we were having trouble with earlier?
Yeah, you can get to it a little
You can get to it a little better. Pop that baby off. Undo your lower hose, and then take the radiator out.
Your radiator?
Radiator.
All right. Yeah,
And then,
that one's ready to go. Oops.
There you go. That's one down. Get the other ones out too. I'm gonna get the part numbers off those. We'll get Tim new belts too.
Sounds good.
If it's going back together with a bunch of other new stuff, let's
Might as well.
we're already in there. Get it done, get it handled. Because that's how we roll around here. All right, got that fitting out. I'm gonna pull the valve covers next after I go through, like I said, zip tie hell.
Zip tie hell.
And then I'll pull the carb off. Get the carby out. And then we can start getting that manifold out too. Burnsy, I think once you have the radiator out, your next task will be undo the alternator. We can actually take it and just lay it down there. Just undo it from the brackets. AC compressor, we'll lay it. We'll try to lay it somewhere so it gets out of the way.
AC, you want to
we got to get to the water
access
pump.
right down there.
Got to get the pump off, yeah. But we're plugging away. So valve cover bolts on passenger side. Move your hand a second. Yeah. Silicone grenade. That's why they leak. All right, so we got to gently pry these off. Try to straighten them out. It's going to be fun. I got the carb off. Hey, what's Barbie's fat sister's name? Carby!
Carby?
Get it? Because I said carb.
Yeah, I figured that was going to be it, but...
Yeah, anyway. Moving on. Wasn't funny. Not funny. I'm going to continue getting the alternator laid over and out of our way. It'll stay bolted down at the bottom because it's in the cylinder head. Working on getting the pulley off. I just got to fight this off in the water pump. See? Look at it. Coming. Wiggle, 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 yeah. So that's going to come out. And then we got to move the AC compressor. Yeah, that's going to be fun.
Yeah, I can feel it already.
This is what happens when people that don't know what they're doing work on things. This is what happens when the guy that works at the Honda dealer works on things, probably.
Probably.
But carefully. Yeah, gentle. Oh, I heard it. There you go. Just gently